सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जैसे आप लोग को पता है कि ग्लोबल स्पोकन इंग्लिश की तरफ से प्रोग्राम रखा गया है।
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Now I'd like to know from Kanchan ma'am that what does she want to say in front of you, because
Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Kanchan. Today I am very thankful to Mr.Ghulam Nabi sir and all global teachers. This success I achieved because of my teachers and my parents. Whatever, I am here because of my teacher and my parents. Who made me to win this competition. And I am very thankful to my parents who always stand with me in every step of my life. If I talk about Mr. Ghulam Nabi sir, I have never seen such a teacher who taught us so very well. Before some month, I was not able to speak English, but now everything has been changed. I am able to speak English in front of everyone and with confidence. Today I am very delighted. That's why I can't express my happiness in words. Before ending my speech, I would like to say some beautiful lines in Hindi. कि सीढ़ियाँ उन्हें मुबारक हो जिन्हें छत तक जाना है, कि सीढ़ियाँ उन्हें मुबारक हो जिन्हें छत तक जाना है. हमारी मंजिल तो आसमान है, हमें रास्ता खुद बनाना है. हम मंजिल मिले या ना मिले, ये तो मुकद्दर की बात है, लेकिन हम कोशिश भी ना करें, ये तो गलत बात है. I like to say some lines in Hindi about Mr. Ghulam Nabi sir. Thank you so much sir. हमें एक अच्छा टीचर बना, एक टीचर की पहचान देने के लिए. Thank you so much sir. What should I do? Yeah sir. Congratulations Kanchan ma'am. Thank you so much. She is my friend and my sister. He always support me. So thank you so much, and auntie and my sister. Thank you so much.